examine the characteristics of genetic code. Genetic code is described as universal. Genetic code is described as universal, which indicates the situation that the same code works in all living organisms. In all living organisms, right from bacteria to human beings. Hence, the genetic code is described as universal. Genetic code is described as degenerate. Degenerate because number of possible codons is more than the number of amino acids involved in protein synthesis. We have seen that 64 codons are possible. 64 codons are possible. Out of these 64 codons, 61 codons specify the 20 amino acids. So number of codons is more than the number of amino acids involved in protein synthesis. We have seen that there are amino acids having only one codon, for example methionine, amino acids having 2 codons, amino acids having 3 codons like isoleucine, amino acids with 4 codons, and amino acids with as many as 6 codons. This degeneracy is of significance considering the fact that small point mutations may not have significant effect on the genetic code. For example, UUU codes for the amino acid phenylalanine. UUC also codes for the same amino acid. Suppose this uracil is replaced by cytosine, the amino acid coded does not change. Then genetic code is described as non-ambiguous. Non-ambiguous because the same codon specifies the same amino acid in all living organisms. Take the same example, UUC or codons for phenylalanine in all the living organisms. So code is described as non-ambiguous. Code is described as commaless to express the idea that there are no punctuations in the sequence of codons, no gaps or no punctuations in the sequence of codons. And genetic code is described as non-overlapping. Non-overlapping, which indicates the situation that only the successive triplets form a codon. Form the codons. For example, suppose there is a sequence UUU, CCC, UCC, AAG, like this. The first three form codon number 1. Only the next three form codon number 2. Only the next three form codon number 3. Next three form the codon number 4, and so on. Putting it the other way, a nitrogen base in any given codon does not become a part of the next codon. Overlapping means, suppose you have UUU, CCC like this, UUU forming one codon, UUC forming another codon, CC the next forming another codon like this. That is overlapping. This is not the situation. The code is non-overlapping. No nitrogen base which is a part of one codon can become a part of another codon. Code has an initiator codon. Initiator codon. The initiator codon is AUG. AUG. AUG, we have seen, is the codon for amino acid methionine. So in the beginning of the mRNA molecule, the first codon should always be AUG. Methionine is the first amino acid. The code has terminator codons UAA, UAG and UGA do not code for any amino acid. Do not code for any amino acid. Hence they are called as nonsense codons, or more appropriately they are described as terminator codons. So in the mRNA molecule, the last codon invariably will have to be any one of these three, UAA, UAG or UGA, indicating the completion of the termination of the formation of polypeptide chain. So these are the characteristic features of genetic code.